Hello everyone, this is continuation of the previous topic. So Doberanus triads. So previously we have seen about the Lavoisier and Dalton in periodic classification. That is early attempts of the scientists. Early attempt of the scientists we are seeing now in the periodic classification. So today we are going to see about the Doberanus triads. So what is a triad first? See, if they ask for 3-mark question, how to write this question? First, you have to mention about the triads. You have to mention about the law, what law it is given, and you have to give an example, and you have to write the limitation. So this is a way to present 3-mark question. First, what is a triads? He classified the elements into the group of 3 elements called as triads. So what is the triads? What he explained about the triads? The elements in the triads. So what is a Doberanus? Doberanus, what mainly he said, he grouped the element in an increasing atomic mass of 3. So what he has given, the average of the first and last is the middle one, exactly the middle one. So what is the law of Doberanus law? The elements in the triad had similar property and the atomic mass. So similar property and the atomic mass of the middle element. These are all the keywords. The atomic mass of the middle element is approximately the average of other 2 elements. Simple way to remember. So 3 elements he grouped. The first and last, if you add and divide by 2, you have to get the middle one. So this is what we explained it in the law. So the average of the first and last is exactly the middle one. So lithium, sodium, potassium. So 17, 23, these are atomic mass. These are atomic mass denoted by A. So 7, 23, 39. If you add these two, you will be getting exactly the middle one. This is the triads. What here? Next triads is calcium, strontium, barium. Very important. You have to remember the elements and you have to remember the atomic number, atomic mass, and this is calcium, strontium, barium, chlorine, bromine, iodine. This is exact, this is approximately, that's why use the term approximately. So the 87.6 and 88 is approximately equal. So here 81.2 and 79.9 is approximately equal. So if they ask the question, what are the 3 triads of Doberanus, you have to write these 3. And if they ask for Doberanus triads, you have to mention about the triads, you have to mention about the law and any one example along with the limitation. So what is the limitation of Doberanus? See, he could not able to categorize as a triads, or that the known element at that time were not able to categorize as a triads. So for example, all the elements known at that time could not be arranged as a triads. One example, similar triads could not be classified. For example, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, they have the similar property, but they could not be able to come under the triads because of it is not following the Doberanus rule. So the next one, the third limitation is it unsimilar elements like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. They were grouped under the similar category. For example, the carbon atomic mass is 12, nitrogen atomic mass is 14, oxygen atomic mass is 16. If you add this 2, it is 28 divided by 2, it is 14. So dissimilar elements also grouped under this category. So these are all the limitations of Doberanus. Thank you.